Okay, good morning. I will create here a video demonstration about how to create your Flipgrid. After you create the account, you have to open the account, and probably if you never use Flipgrid, you will not see here like mine 15 grids, okay? You don't have a grid there at all. Okay, the first step is click here on new grid, okay? Then you are able to create the first grid. My first grid will be for our class. That means that is, I have to type what is the name of my grid, okay? World Language Department class, World Language Department, Technology, class. Okay, and the free grid give me the option to use that code that you see here in the right side or customize the code. I will customize with something easy to find. I will use the World Language Department class. Okay, it's easy to identify. This one, let me see if I can use the capital letters. I prefer the capital letters. Let me see if I can use it. No, okay, but here I have the code for my grid. The code for my grid. Okay, now what is the purpose? Okay, uh, give feedback about uh, this topic of the class. This is one of the purpose. Okay, let me put number one. And the second purpose is to practice using Flipgrid. Two purposes, okay? Okay, let me continue scrolling down. Okay, what else I can check here? The password protection. You can put a password if you want. For example, if I click here, I have to enter a password. Okay, what could be a password? WLD, that means World Language Department, technology. I can use a password and immediately then the person enter here had to put the password to interact on Flipgrid, or I can leave this inactive and no password. For my student, I don't put a password there. Okay, grid followers. Allow student to receive email notification. I will not click this one because I will keep it simple. Share links allow users to share a great topic or video on Twitter, Facebook, or Google Classroom. You're supposed to keep this all the time inactive, but for our purpose, okay, I will click here. In that way, you can add uh, the great topic. You can add the great topic also. You can download your participation here and you can record it or save it in you can save it in your computer and you can use it in your T-Keys for your summative evaluations, okay? Okay, allow downloads for today with us, all teachers. I will keep this active there. But if you're working with your students, you have to keep in mind, okay, that if you allow the student download, they can download the other student participations, okay? And probably they can post it in somewhere else, okay? For security, with our student, we have to keep these two tabs inactive. Okay, let's continue scrolling down. Notify me to receive an email every time that somebody posts something on the grid. I will click no. I don't want to fill my email account with a lot of notifications. I prefer to check every video in the web page, in the Flipgrid web page, knowing my email. captions. You have this option to generate captions for the student. I will not click here because the purpose is that they can practice in the target language, know that they can translating everything that they are doing there or you are doing here. Okay, active step, active. It means continue scrolling down. You can customize the picture that you will have as a background of your grid. Or you can use one of the pictures. Look how many pictures do you have there. You can click for every grid a different one, and that way you can identify easily. Or you can download one. I will click here to practice downloading one of the pictures or uploading one of the pictures. Let me click. Let me go to one of my pictures here, and I will use this one that is from one of my activities, Hispanic Night with the student. I will use this one. Okay, and I had the student there, and there is, here is what I will see as my theme. Okay, okay, nothing else that I have to take in consideration. I will click here, create a grid. It's ready. After you create a grid, the next topic is create, or the next step is create a topic. I will create a topic, and then I have here to fill out all the information here to create my topic. What is the topic? Feedback about Flipgrid. Okay, and then I will keep the display date. I will select here in the video response time 5 minutes. No, because it's necessary to fill or to complete the video in 5 minutes and talk during 5 minutes. But giving the student that want to talk more uh, space, no opportunity to talk more. It's not necessary to cover the 5 minutes, but that will be the maximum. Here, response moderations, I will leave this inactive because if I will click here to post every single video on the page, on the grid, I will need to approve first and will leave inactive. Here, let's describe the question or describe the task. Please talk about why you will use a Flipgrid in the classroom, and how you will use it. I mean, implementation. I'm recording. Okay. After you type the question, the prompt, or also the task, okay, you will continue scrolling down to select different options in your page, okay. You will leave active, you will leave the date, okay. You have here also the option that you can frozen the topic after specific date. I never froze the grid. I leave it all the time open, okay. And here you have different resources that you can use. The first one is to record a video. I use this one all the time. After I put the information here on the topic description, I click here to do a little demonstration about what I want. For my AP classes, I don't need to create a demonstration. I only explain with more details in the video. But for my Spanish 1, Spanish 2, and my lower levels classes, what I do is I used to uh, record there an example about how the video should look. Okay, that means I talked to one of the other teachers, Spanish teacher in the building, and we create like a little demonstration. Okay, Daisy for record video. You have upload video. That means you have a video previously recorded in your computer and you can upload it there and they can watch that video that you already have in your computer and use that video as a model. You can here add video from YouTube or for Vimeo, the other video web page. You can upload here an image, and this one is good because you can put an image there and then you can ask them to describe the image or to talk about what they think that are happening in that image. Also, you can upload here uh, two images, or you can create like a collage with more than one image where they have to compare and contrast different cultures or different situations there. Okay, you can also here add a Giphy, and Giphy is a picture with movement, and also you can add an emoji. In this moment for this video presentation, I can't click record a video because the camera is using to record my whole screen. But if not, I will click there and I will explain in my video what I want. Okay, let me continue scrolling down. The topic attachment, you can attach other web pages there, the link for other web pages, and they can open and use it for as a prompt before they record their answers. You see here the instructions say that you can put links from Google Documents. Okay, you can put in Google Document more information and you put the link here and they can open, check the information that they have there and then record the video. You can also can paste a link for Dropbox or Google Drive. I mean, the same thing. The purpose is that they have access to a specific information before they respond in their videos. Okay? And you can put here what is the title of that particular resource. Then you continue scrolling down and you will select here all the features that they have available when they are recording their videos. Okay, selfie decorations, stickers and drawings, response reactions with emojis, replies to responses, allow students to reply to a response. Okay, will be good sometimes. You know your student and you know that that will create some issue. Well, you can click here to enable uh to disable that option. Okay, but okay, what else? Require email for responses. Not necessary you need the email for a response. Okay, you will click here or you will unclick. Okay, here is where you have to be careful. Response link, okay? Allow students to add a link to their video. Links can be public, visible to all, or private, only visible to you. I will select here private, and if I'm talking about my students and to avoid other situation, I can click here none, okay? Because you don't know what they will send it to you, okay? But private or public. Video views. Display the number of views a video has received and response title. Allow students to add a title maximum, okay, 80 characters to the response. Okay, After you select all the features that you will provide to your students, you will check here the other options do you have, okay, performance and ideas, basic feedback, custom feedback, build and assign custom feedback rubric. You can click this one if you want. Okay, I also keep all the time I use the basic feedback, okay? And then what? Create the topic. The topic is already created, okay? Got it, okay? How you know? How you know the code or how you know what you're supposed to share with your students in order that they can complete the assignment? You will click here, share topic, and then you will see for the share topic a code. If they are using their cell phones, okay, the application in their cell phones, the only thing that they have to add when they open is the code. They click that code or type the code, and they are able immediately to start with the responses. If you are using the other web page, for example, Google Classroom, the best idea is that you copy the whole link. And also you can put a copy the link and put this link, paste this link in your PowerPoint, and then you can open from your PowerPoint too. I copy here, and then you have here also places that you can share. I never used this before. I will try here to go directly to Google Classroom to see if I can paste it directly. But let me click. Let me see. Okay. But here appear my personal account, no my school account. Okay. If I have more than one, yes, I have more than one. Let me see if I can select here. Aha, I can select here uh, my account from the school, my official account. Let me click here, the official account. Choose the class. I have to choose what class, and I will go here, scroll down to find the class that I want to choose the code. I will want to choose the code with you guys. World Language Department Technology class is this one. Here is the code, okay? Choose an action, okay? This is easier. I can choose to create an assignment, ask a question, or make an announcement. I will click here, make an announcement to post as an announcement, but if I want to create an assignment, I can click in this one. Let's try with this one. I will click in assignment and then go. Of course, because I click in assignment, I have to put more information there, okay? Title, a video to complete, a video feedback, okay? Instructions, please. Uh, Complete the video before, uh, before you leave. Okay. This is for tomorrow class. That means tomorrow is 15. Time is optional, but we live in our 8:30, no? Let me put 8:30 p.m. Okay. The end. And assign is posted. Okay. 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 Well, I already posted. I can go back to my Flipgrid. Let me go back to my Flipgrid. I complete that task using directly what? the social media links that they provide in their own page. If I don't do in this way, I copy from there. I will open Google Classroom and then what? Look for if I want to post it as an announcement, if I want to post it as a different way, or simple, open my PowerPoint like here, okay? And I will put in here. It's my PowerPoint for tomorrow. Okay, I will, here I have the link and I will put here a comments. Please click in the following link to record your feedback of feedback. Okay, I mean, I have it on Google Classroom and also I have it where? I have it also in my PowerPoint. I think that we are done. We finished. Okay, have a wonderful night.